Dugan. I am the Instructional Technology Specialist here at Simpson University. Today we're going to talk about making your own YouTube video. Especially we use this for classes and online courses, just so that our environment's more interactive and you kind of get a bit more of a face-to-face interaction among students and faculty members. So yeah, let's get started. So go ahead and pull up YouTube and we can start checking it out. So let's go.
Great, so now that we have YouTube pulled up, I would suggest the first step you do is make sure that you are logged into your Simpson account. And you'll find your accounts right up in this top right hand corner. You'll click on it and you'll notice that you're logged into simpsonu.edu. And if you notice that you're not, go ahead and make sure that you go down to switch accounts if you're already logged into another account and switch on over. That will allow you to make sure that you're keeping your professional and your collegiate work separate from your personal. And once you're logged in there, we're gonna talk about how to upload a video, whether that's through your desktop version of YouTube or your mobile device version of YouTube. So we'll go ahead and start with desktop. You'll want to look for this camera looking with a plus on it, where it says create a video or post, and that's right there. One of the deceiving parts about this is that you're not able to record a YouTube video on YouTube on the desktop version, but you are on the mobile version. That is a bit of a deceiving part of saying, create a video or post. But you'll go ahead and click on that button and this little drop down menu will come up. And you'll go ahead and hit upload video instead of go live. Go live will only it's more made for temporary videos rather than something that's more long-term that your classmates can see. So I wouldn't utilize that feature, but I would go ahead and click on upload video and you should come to this window right here. This window is where you can look for the file within your file explorer, which is on your PC, or you can do it within your Mac version also and do a spotlight search and go ahead and just drop that file in, and if not, you can go ahead and just click on this gray icon with an arrow on it and it should pull up your files right there and just search for it through there. And that should be on both PC and Mac. Before you upload it or continue the next step, make sure that you're set to unlisted. Unlisted allows you to be a little more private. Don't use private because that only means that you can view it. Unlisted means that only the people with the link itself to the YouTube video can view it. You can do public if you'd like, but we suggest using unlisted just so that it's for your records and for your classmates specifically. I also mentioned getting resources from YouTube itself on how to do uploading, and as you may have seen already, you can look at this upload instructions link or this mobile uploads. That link right also will help you along the way. And then once you get that video logged in there, you'll go ahead and fill out, there's a title, sequence, and anything like that. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. And great. So now that we have the video uploading, this is my intro video that you saw at the beginning of the video that I'm posting right now. You'll go ahead and make sure that your title right here is according to what your project or whatever assignment you're turning in is wanting. You'll also put in a short description just for your own classmates and yourself's sake, that when you're scrolling through your videos, you're like, what is this video about? You could always watch it for to find out what it's all about, or you could just put this short description right here. Again, you'll want to make sure that this video is unlisted, and that will allow you to post it accordingly, that it's just the link. And as you can see, the processing is done, and you'll go ahead and just click done when, well, it's done. Also, you can, at the bottom here, choose a thumbnail if you'd like, whichever, picture you prefer, see as the video picture when you're about to click on it. That is your thumbnail. And then, yeah, that's how to do it on the desktop version. And then we'll go ahead and let's talk about how to do it on your mobile device. So I have this, some screenshots of how to do it on my phone. I have a Google Pixel, so that is an Android. But if you download the Google app, or sorry, the YouTube app, you'll be able to do this just the same. They look very similar. So again, we want to make sure that you're logged into your simpsonu.edu account, and then you'll go on over to this video recording symbol. And once you click on that, it should ask you start the show, or if you've already recorded a video or allowed this, it should just go straight to your camera. Just make sure that the access to your camera and your microphone is allowed so that you could do it on your mobile device here. And then once you click on that and go through that process, you record your video, or you select what video you want to upload. What I did here is I selected a video I wanted to upload. I recorded this yesterday as an example. And what you will want to do is utilize this feature here. If you want to trim it at all, you can shorten the video or lengthen it in any way, just right here. And then again, you'll want to scroll down and make sure that you put in a title and a short description, as we talked about before. And then of course you want to click on the little world icon next to public and switch to it unlisted, just so that you have a little more privacy. Once you're done, go ahead and click the next arrow, and then you should see it do this weird jagged blue lines through your whatever your thumbnail is, and that means that it is processing and uploading. And once that is done uploading, it should remove that blue and it should say ready to watch. Now, an important thing about being unlisted, an unlisted video and posting it online, is that you want to make sure you hit this the three little dots drop down window, and that should allow you to go down to share. Share should bring up an area where you can copy the link for this video, or you could send it directly as an email. I would email it to yourself just for your own personal records, so it's easy to grab if you ever need to search for it on Gmail. Or I would just make sure that you get that link posted within the correct assignment that you need to turn in. So yeah, if you have any other further questions about this, let me know. The resources should help you, and there's a lot of different videos online to watch if you want any specific directions on how to do it on a specific device, whether that's on a specific version of your iPhone, or if you have a certain Android that may look a little different. But yeah, until next time, just let me know if you need any help, and thanks for watching this video.